When you land on the InfinityFree homepage, it immediately promotes itself as a 100% free hosting provider with no forced ads, unlimited bandwidth, and disk space. That sounds incredible on paper, especially for beginners and small projects, but I wanted to find out how it really holds up in real-world use. Signing up was relatively quick, with no credit card required, which is a big plus. The dashboard looks a bit dated but functional. You get access to a modified version of cPanel called VistaPanel. It's not as user-friendly as standard cPanel, but it gets the job done once you get used to it. The file manager works, though it can be sluggish. Upload speeds are limited, and large files often fail without clear error messages. The free plan includes access to a website builder and one-click installs via Softaculous, but not all features work reliably. I tried installing WordPress, and while it completed, the performance was not impressive. The backend was slow, and sometimes pages failed to load entirely. DNS propagation also took significantly longer than expected. One of the biggest issues I encountered was uptime. During a week of monitoring, there were several downtimes lasting more than 5 minutes each. That's a major concern for anyone looking to host a live website, even for free. Support is limited to community forums, and while some questions are answered, there's no guarantee of timely help. And just when it felt like everything was lagging, AltaHost turned out to be the one solution that simply works. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Back to InfinityFree, they offer subdomains, and even let you use your own domain, which is great. SSL certificates are included, but installing them is far from straightforward. There's no automated tool like Let's Encrypt, and manual setup can confuse beginners. On the positive side, there are no forced ads on your site, which sets InfinityFree apart from many other free hosting services. But be warned, limitations on server resource usage are strictly enforced. If your site receives even moderate traffic, you may get suspended or throttled without much warning or clear guidance. Emails are not supported on the free plan, which can be a deal breaker for professional use. You also can't run cron jobs unless you upgrade to a premium plan, and even some PHP functions are disabled. All these restrictions make it clear that this hosting is best suited for testing, learning, or very low traffic sites, not anything mission critical. Overall, InfinityFree is a decent option if you're just starting out, want to experiment with hosting, or build a demo site. But it's definitely not suitable for long-term or serious use. If uptime, speed, and support matter to you, this might not be the right platform. If this review helped you, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and web hosting insights.